Are you a beekeeper that loves to take notes, keep records, or write in your journal about your beekeeping season? Well, stay tuned, because this book is for you. My name is Malvie, and this is Bees Are Funny. Intro! The Beekeepers Journal, inspired by Kim Flottum. Kim Flottum is the editor of the Bee Culture magazine. He was first introduced to bees and beekeeping while studying in the University of Wisconsin. His studies were based on crop pollinations and interactions of bees and pesticides. The Beekeepers Journal was published in 2014 by Quarry Books. It has 175 pages. However, it doesn't have any chapters. The three sections of the journal are in the beginning, growing up, and settling in. Let's start off with section 1, in the beginning. You can write about the start of your beekeeping season. Section 2, Growing Up, is all about your spring and summer adventures with your bees. And finally, Section 3, Settling In, you can record your honey harvest and the end of your beekeeping season. Each section represents a time during your bee season. Another thing, this journal was inspired by another book called The Backyard Beekeeper, and is also written by Kim Flottum. Now, I will show you some cool features inside the journal. First off, you will find a lot of amazing illustrations. Then, there are some awesome quotes and even facts about bees and beekeeping. There are checklists and sketching areas and working sections that are also inside the journal. And lastly, there are a ton of recipes that you can make using ingredients that bees make. For example, honey. Now the format of this journal that I have is hardcover, and the dimension is 7.2 inches wide by 9.2 inches long. Now, where can you get this book? You can find it in Amazon and eBooks. And if you're interested in purchasing the Beekeepers Journal, I'll leave the link in the description section. And if you purchase this book through that link, we'll get a small commission, which helps us grow our channel. Well guys, that's the Beekeepers Journal, an illustrated register for your beekeeping adventures. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding any beekeeping topic, or if you have any books you'd like us to review. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Follow us on all our social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and if you're interested in this journal, link is in the description down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so then you will be notified every single time we upload a new video. My name is Malvie, and you're watching Bees Are Funny. See you next time!